Hi, today we're going to cover how to identify your outdoor digital menu board by the model and its unique characteristics. And then we're also going to go into how to change the filter for each outdoor digital menu board. Today we're going to go over the characteristics of how to identify the Generation 10 Stratacache outdoor digital menu board, both the single version as well as the double version. On the single outdoor digital menu board, Generation 10, it can be identified by the square base where the filters are located, as well as the square upper body and a flat back. The Generation 10 double enclosure, very similar. It has a square base where your filters are located, as well as the square top and the flat back. This is the Generation 10 outdoor digital menu board by Stratacache. Today we're going to go through how to inspect and change the filters. So you will need to get access through the front panel on the base using your triangle key. Take the key, you're going to do a quarter turn away from the center, so that's going to be clockwise. And when you undo the last lock, be careful because it will naturally fall open. Don't let it just crash down. You don't want to damage the front of it, dent it. It is metal. So what you need to do is you need to remove it, and it just removes very easily. There are two slots here on either side that correspond to the hinges at the bottom. So just move that out of the way. What you want to do is inspect, make sure there's no debris that may accumulate in here over time. Leaf blowers, things like that will tend to push debris into the base area. It does not affect the unit operation itself. The filter is located at the top here. What you're going to do is I recommend taking a finger on each side and just wiggling it back and forth to get that filter out, and you pull it out. Now what you can do from there, inspect the filter, make sure it looks good, or replace it if needed. There's that slot on either side that you insert the filter and just gently push it back. Once you're done, take the door, take these two hinge points, insert them onto the pivots, close, and then what you're going to do is you're going to close these rotating locks towards the center of the display. If the filter is stuck and you can't get it out from the front, walk around to the back of the unit, and it's going to be a very similar door, both with triangle, using the triangle key. Quarter turn out towards the frame, same thing. Drop the cover down. You can remove the cover as well, just like the front. And then if you look underneath, you'll notice you can see the back of the filter. Take the flat part of the key, either the hand portion or the flat part where there's the triangle, and just put it right against that filter and gently tap. Do this on each side, and then walk around to the front. Now, back at the front of the unit, you'll see that the filter has come out a little bit. Just gently pull from either side and remove the filter. Then you'll reinstall the new filter by sliding it back into the filter location. And very important, don't forget to walk around towards the back of the unit and close the other side. Once you've reinstalled the filter, at the back of the unit, reinstall that door, taking these points here and making sure they rest on the pins. Close it just like the front. Quarter turn inwards. Now, very important, be sure you close the other side as well.